Beyond theory, beyond politics, this is the front line of family restoration. Real families, real transformation, real proof that God's design works.
Hello, I am Elder Lance Myles.
And I am Angel Myles.
We've been married for 12 years and we have 5 beautiful children.
I was actually raised by a single mother. I did actually have marriage around me. My mom, she was actually married twice. Her first marriage she went through, and it was a really, really tough marriage for her. I went into my marriage thinking that I deserved a lot better. I wasn't equipped for it because I was never really taught.
As someone who was born and raised in the city of Detroit, Michigan, I was affected by a lot of selfishness because, as you know, the city of Detroit suffers with a lot of fatherlessness where marriage seems to not even exist. I had no desire to get married. I didn't think marriage was something that can actually work. So after I've seen so many successful marriages throughout the church, I began to be inspired, and I had hope that one day that I wanted to get married. One thing I know that marriage is supposed to expose and reveal who you really are inside. We were just really suffering in our marriage, and we were just pointing the finger at each other. We wouldn't hear each other. We couldn't understand each other.
And when challenges came at the time, we had 2 children. We had 1 child together, and I really wasn't thinking about how it would affect her until after the separation came. We were separated for 9 months, and during that separation, I started to see challenges in our child that I didn't see before. Our leader was doing a series about what am I going to do with this self. Amen. And I just cannot thank the Lord enough for putting that series on our pastor's heart, because it really, really helped me to look within myself and to see that I wasn't perfect. I can truly say since then, the Lord has moved in our lives, even when it comes to communication. Amen. And those are some of the trainings that we have in our CFAD family training.
So after the Lord reconciled my wife and I back together, He had blessed us with a house, a 4-bedroom home that He wanted us to fill up, and He had given us 3 more beautiful children.
I really just want to encourage anyone that is struggling in their marriage, whether you've been married a short period of time or whether you've been married a number of years. God is truly able to restore what you think is broken.
Amen.